Hi there, fearless leaders. This is Sharissa here. So I'm popping on with a quick announcement for you. If you saw my post yesterday, then you know more about this announcement. But in a couple of weeks, I am going to be coming to you live with a free training all about influence. So yesterday it just struck me as I was pulling together this training that this is actually the training that I won an award for recently. And so I wanted to kind of pull back the curtain and share with you all the best tips and advice and everything that I can possibly share with you when it comes to being a powerful, influential leader, having the impact that you want and the visibility that you want, all while not becoming somebody that you are not. So being comfortable in your own skin, but really shining in your own leadership zone of genius. So if that is something that's interesting to you, I'm going to go ahead and post the link below so you can go ahead and sign up for that. Don't worry if you're, I would highly recommend that you add that to your calendar as quickly as possible. But also, I'm going to be sharing a ton of goodies with you. So as soon as you sign up, you're going to start to get emails with lots of important information and things that are going to help you just get the most out of that mini workshop that I'm going to have. So it's going to be very actionable. It's going to be a ton of stuff that you can put into action right away and become the powerful, influential leader that you are meant to be. So I look forward to joining you on that. Again, the details are going to be posted in the link below. But also, it's going to be on the 28th of September, so Wednesday the 28th at noon Eastern time. So definitely mark your calendars, make sure you block off that time, and I look forward to seeing you there. Also, if you want to share that link with anyone you think might benefit from that, I really highly encourage you to do that. This is all about having the confidence, being really powerful and confident in who you are, and being able to come across in a way that makes people sit up and take notice and want to be around you, want to hear from you, those kinds of things. So if that sounds like something that you're interested in and you want to learn more about, then please join me on the 28th, and I'm going to be revealing everything to you as far as what you need to know and how to put it into action really quickly so you can have that level of influence that you want to have. So I'm here if you have any questions, let me know. But in the meantime, I look forward to seeing you on that mini workshop and hearing from you as well. Thank you so much. Bye for now.